So this mod is something that I believe that every single Japanese car should have. And that is obviously the steering wheel. Also, I'm doing this intro in the car to get away from the wind. Hopefully, that is not going to be an issue soon. So if you guys stick around, I'll let you know about that at the end of the video. Got a Boss Up kit, which we're going to use to fit on this. It's all compatible. We've got the resistors and everything else to make sure the airbag light don't come on. We are going to disconnect the battery so we don't get that in our face. We've got the subtle red things. Obviously, we've got the Sparco gear stick now, so only right, we've got to go for the Sparco steering wheel. But straight away, we've got a bit of a dilemma already, before we've even started. We've got to take this bolt off, which is just there, as you can see. But the previous owner, or somebody before him, has tried to remove the bolt. Now, you're supposed to use an anti-tamper T30 piece for this, but it looks like he's just gone to town on it, so... Jack! Those of you that's been asking where Jack is here. What have you been doing, Jack?
Being a dad.
Being a dad. But he is here. So he's going to help me get this bolt off. What we're going to do now is we're going to disconnect the battery. Disconnect the negative first, and then we're going to leave it 5 minutes because of power surge, yeah?
Yeah, you don't want to get blasted in the face.
Because if you don't leave it the 5 minutes, you're going to end up with an airbag in your face, and you're going to end up halfway down the street at number 42 instead of number 2. I don't live at 42, by the way, so anybody that's actually trying to find me, don't go to 42. Or number 2. Jack, I've seen the way you work.
Not work.
Done. Now you can take your airbag. No, don't take your airbag off, guys. Don't.
What the fuck are you doing?
Fucking dribbled. We're gonna wait 5 minutes, aren't we, Jack?
Yeah.
Here we have
Someone told me fibbies.
a wild Jack in his natural.
It's always a good tool to have. You scared?
What are you gonna use that for? Okay, guys. So this is how you get a ball.
Oh!
Is it doing it?
No.
Unfortunately, that will not work, Jackie boy.
Might have to.
What?
If I get one out, might be able to snap it.
As long as we don't have an airbag explosion.
That I can't promise.
So we're going to attempt the other side, which is actually kind of perfect. They've not actually touched the other side, so they must have had a go at this one and thought, nope, absolutely not. Is that coming out easy? Is that actually out?
One is.
Holy yeah!
This shit.
Look at that.
This one's not one.
Nissan, please don't use these again. Never. Jack.
Yes. Yes.
What are you doing to my steering wheel?
I'm making it easier for us.
Okay, this is trust. So what Jack's actually doing now is
Breaking it.
pulling the airbag forward because this bolt is absolutely rounded off, and it's going to be very, very difficult to get off. They're actually really weak bolts. The one that I just shown you is actually intact, and that obviously hadn't been touched. So they just round off so easy.
Well, this airbag's in your face, not mine.
Oh, great. It's a good job battery's disconnected, that's all I can say. Bear in mind we've got to disconnect the airbag though, before you actually take the wheel off.
Done it.
What?
Done it.
Jack, you sneaky devil!
You pull that black tab up and pull it out.
Jack.
Yes.
I
I might have had a bit of too big an extension here.
It's about to cheat camera. So guys, this is how to oversize your tools for such a small job.
Well, it was just in case it was tight, you see.
But it's worked though, hasn't it?
Don't take the nut off all the way and do that because you're twatty in the face. I've done it before.
So what he did there was he just basically wiggled the steering wheel to loosen it before he took the bolt off completely. Ta-da! It's a good job we're never using this steering wheel ever again, isn't it, guys?
You could bend it back, I suppose.
Just explain what you disconnected.
The airbag wire. Pull that black tab up. And then pull it out.
Yeah.
And then this one here. That's one of the steering wheel controls.
Mm-hmm.
There's a tab there, you push that in and pull it out.
And also, obviously, bolt in the middle. You have to take that off, clearly, because you ain't going to get that steering wheel off unless you do.
No. Don't turn these. Well, there's wires in here. Like a clock spring. Well, it is a clock spring. But if you turn it that way, like too much one way, put your steering wheel back on, and then when you're turning, it's going to snap it.
Okay. So, basically, do not touch. Do not touch. So, on the middle there, you can see a line. Just point to it for me, Jack.
I'll get a pointy thing.
The pointy tool. There we go. That's where, obviously, the wheel is straight. So when your wheels are straight, that should be pointing, obviously, towards the sky. So with this kit, obviously, you get everything to have your own, your resistors and that, to obviously keep your airbag light off, and everything else. We've got the Boss Hub kit, which Jack's going to play around with right now. My precious. We've got a notch, top of here, which sits
here
with that.
For on.
Foot on. Foot on. So obviously this here plugs into your original bit for your horn. See, look, this ain't Jack's first rodeo. Look at this. He knows. He knows. Jack.
Yeah?
You selling that Sparco steering wheel? So what he's done here is he's just put obviously the Boss Hub kit on, feeded his wires through, plugged the horn in as well. Now he's just putting the nut back on the centre. This is a nut job. Oh God, look at this.
I should get a smaller extension. This ain't great.
There we go.
I don't know the torque setting for the steering wheel.
That's all right.
Awesome.
We just do it.
Oh, so is Jared says. It'll be in the comments.
What is that? Is that cake?
That's not cake.
It looks like a cake, man.
You hang it up, it goes on the fucking tree. It's got a hoop on it.
It looks like cake.
That's not cake.
It looks like... Guys, does that look like cake? That looks like cake.
That's not cake.
Looks like a damn good cake.
I want cake now.
Jack, I'll take you for cake after.
Yes.
Right, so we're not putting it on 100% yet. We're just putting it on roughly to see where it sits, to make sure it's all straight and everything else. Right, so Jack's putting a resistor on now. This comes with your kit. This basically should stop your airbag light from coming on. Should.
All it is a fuse.
Yeah. It basically allows the ECU and everything else to register that you've got an airbag.
What is our life?
Fixing cars, Fast and Furious builds, wrapping cars. So guys, not everything always goes well with me and Jack, does it, Jack? Let's be honest.
Not when we're modifying stuff.
There's always something, like modifications wise, there's always something. Rusty bolt, or something just dodgy that don't go right. Something either gets in the way, but we fix it, don't we, Jack? Jack.
Yes.
You can do it when you put Jack into it. Look at me, I can do a steering wheel. What Jack's doing now is he's just putting the bolts in, just tightening them up bit by bit. Obviously, do opposites. What I mean by opposites is show them, Jack.
Star pattern.
Yes. There you go. That basically makes sure that there's not too much tension on one side, so you don't have to end up cross-threading something or anything like that.
Oh, it's gone in the bag.
Obviously that's done now. What we're going to do now is just obviously check the wheels are actually straight as well. It should be. Obviously we've got to connect the battery back up.
And drive it.
Drive it and check obviously the horn and everything works. Obviously hazards are on. Telling us there's an issue. No, I'm joking. Basically, with the 350 you've got the hazard button in the middle. So when the hazard button's in the middle, it's dead easy to catch it with elbow, so that's all that's happened there. We just caught it with our elbow. Jack's not drove this car for ages, so I expect him to stall it. Bye, VXR. Bye. I'm supposed to be like on the steering wheel, but it's okay. Car Appreciation Day. Right.
Feels nice.
That clutch. Feel good?
Feels good.
Yeah.
And we're straight. See, no stalling there.
You can just hear all the shit in the back. I've got the steering wheel and everything in the back at the minute. You can do it, Jack. Squeeze through. Yeah. Here's that Scirocco again. It's actually got some really nice alloys on that Scirocco.
I know.
Oh, steering wheel's having a fitting boot. So
Me Mountain Dew.
So obviously,
Meow.
recording that, we cut that clip short because we've obviously found a different issue, haven't we, Jack? It's nothing to do with the steering wheel, nothing to do with anything like that. But we'll obviously explain that in another video. So I'll include that clip of obviously what happened after in the next video.
I got scared.
Yeah, Jack shit his pants. Jack absolutely shit his pants. But we will.
So did you?
I fucking did, I ain't gonna lie. But what we're gonna do is obviously investigate that in another video. So, but like we said earlier as well, I said earlier, we may have somewhere indoors to start doing videos, possibly. Not giving away too much, but we may have somewhere inside that's gonna help us on it, Jack. Obviously, no wind, no drama, no people getting in the way, no people driving past dead fast. So hopefully that should help videos. It should also help us to be able to record content more often as well, you know, and get more content out. Hopefully eventually on a daily basis, but we may trial that. We may do that obviously for 2 weeks, post 2 weeks solid, and then you guys let us know what you think about that. So yeah, obviously that's the steering wheel done. Jack's forever holding it with that sun. Look at Jack, look, with that sun behind him. Look at that. But yeah, so obviously like, comment, subscribe, all that sort of stuff. And we did try and mix this video up a little bit instead of recording it as a normal video. Did we not? A little bit.
A little bit.
Yeah. So just let us know what you think about that, whether you want us to carry on doing this and developing this way a bit more, or go back to the old way. Like, comment, subscribe, all that sort of stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.